What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. As you guys can see, the sink is not draining in the bathroom. So we are going to take off this P-trap and snake the drain. The super told me that he snaked it and the tenants have snaked it and they believe it's inside the wall. So we're going to open it up and see what we find. So we know the problem is past here because all the water is coming out. That looks clean. We're going to be using the Milwaukee M18 with the 5/16 cable. Nope, it's actually a 1/4 inch cable. Sorry about that. The bulb head I did break off. This is a 25-foot cable, and you can see that little dimple right there in the cable. That means we're right around the 20-foot mark. So we're going to keep spinning, but we're going to start pulling it back. So you can see it is a little, I think it's, I'm not going to say it's greasy, that's more of like a soap scum. All right, a little bit of hair. Nothing major though. So let's put it back together and see if it starts draining. And if you guys like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Forgot my drill down in the van. So we gotta go old school with the screwdriver. test it, make sure there's no leak. Okay, I am seeing a drip there. But it is still holding water. Okay, that's fine. So I'll show you guys that it is still holding water. It is draining slow. We see a little movement there in the water. All right, but I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna put a little bit more of a bend on the cable, and to get more of the pipe itself. So you can see that's the bend we got on now. And that's the bend we're going to go with. That way it's going to hit most of the pipe all the way around once it's in the drain. I don't know if you've seen the dimple go by, but there's the end of the cable. Same thing, we're going to spin it back. So we definitely got a little bit more gunk on the cable. Same thing, we're going to run the water, see if it's draining. Alright, looks like we got good drainage there, so now we're just going to fill it up. Okay, I want to show you guys something. So, look at this sink here. Right? It's actually leaking from the seal. It needs to be all new siliconed. So, I'm going to let them know, the management know, and we'll go from there. But as you guys can see, it is draining there. So, we're going to let this go. Sounds good. That is awesome. Let's do a little cleanup here. You guys know the rule, you make a mess, you clean it up, right? Try to leave things cleaner than when you got here. Try. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about it down in the comments down below. And let me know if you guys have any other pack-out stuff and what you guys have. I'll make a dedicated video at some point showing you what I got. There's still a couple things I want to get, but it's definitely not cheap. Let's put it that way. I got all my stuff on Boxing Day, and I still spent well over $1,400. And there were some pretty good sales then. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, Trogman.